Over the last 50 years, the agricultural sector has undergone a significant transformation in line with the government's interest. The rapid growth of technology and global trend adoption has transformed traditional into modern and dynamic agriculture. These advancements have opened doors to innovation, automation, and investment in the agricultural sector, providing solutions to agricultural challenges. One of the challenges that the industry is still dealing with is pests and diseases outbreak. Pests and diseases outbreak decrease the harvest yield down to 47% and jeopardize the economy of the people and the country. ALTUS Aviation Services Sendirian Berhad is an emerging company that provides integrated aerial application services for the agriculture industry.
As a company that is experienced in managing and operating liquid spraying and granular spreading for oil palm and other large area plantation, we are currently the sole provider in Malaysia for helicopter aerial application.
At ALTUS Aviation Services, we combine the latest technology, such as agricultural navigation systems and efficient processes, to ensure effective aerial applications. The helicopter has advantages in aerial applications over other modes due to the ability to take off and land vertically, especially in small areas and locations where accessibility is limited. It is able to fly over uneven terrain and areas with high obstacles due to its high maneuverability. Accuracy is of the utmost importance in aerial applications. AgNav navigation system provides precision farming for spot and block spraying through an onboard flow control system which controls the spray boom output pressure based on the ground speed.
Kadar titisan juga kita lihat melebihi 20 titisan dan saiz melebihi 300 mikrometer pada 1 cm persegi di kertas WSP tersebut.
Compared to the other modes, the helicopter has outstanding coverage of 500 hectares per day, giving an annual capacity of 150,000 hectares. We look forward to expanding this capacity in 2 years' time.
Apabila terdapat serangan ulat bungkus, boleh menurunkan hasil sehingga 47%. Jadi, dengan kawalan yang betul dan pemantauan yang berterusan dan dapat menurunkan serangan di bawah paras ambang ekonomi dan mengekalkan keadaan tersebut, kita dapat meningkatkan semula hasil. Itu yang kita tekankan.
When effectiveness and productivity are the main criteria, nothing can beat helicopter aerial applications. At ALTUS Aviation Services Sendirian Berhad, our team of dedicated professionals are ready to serve and guide you in this journey together.